Hello everyone. Today I'm going to briefly demonstrate another Cloudmersive document conversion connector action we can use to create new Excel spreadsheets, this time starting with column and row data. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We will begin by clicking Create and selecting the option to build a manually triggered instant cloud flow. This will just give us full control over our data in a quick demo. All we're going to do in this flow is start a new spreadsheet, incorporate a few cells of data within that spreadsheet, and name our first worksheet. We will do that all in one action. To find that action, we will click Add an Action, and then we will search for Cloudmersive connectors. We will scroll down this list until we find the document conversion connector with the green logo, and we will then click See More to view the actions list. From here, we will search for an action called Create a new Excel spreadsheet from column and row data. And we will select it once we find it. Before we begin configuring this action, we will first need to create a connection if we haven't done that already. We will need a premium Power Automate account to use Cloudmersive connectors, but we can use Cloudmersive connectors at no additional cost with the free API key. In our Create Worksheet request, we can click Add New Item under Input Rows, and then we can click Add New Item again to define cell values. Using this action, we can add as many new rows and cells as we want to our new spreadsheet. Since we're using Power Automate to do this, we can easily fill these fields with text values from other documents in our flows. We aren't going to do that in this demonstration, but we will instead define the cell identifiers and contents for a few additional cell inputs to see the result in our new document. We will also give our worksheet a new name. We have now created a brand new Excel file, but the output of the action we use doesn't include Excel file bytes. Instead, it returns a temporary editing URL, which we can use to chain edits together through multiple Cloudmersive document conversion connector actions. To download our Excel file from this temporary URL, we will need to add a new action, and we will search for an action called Finish Editing Document Return Result. When we open this action, we will configure it by selecting dynamic content labeled Edit a Document URL from the prior step. We will now add in a Create File action to write our spreadsheet file bytes to a new Excel document. We will use dynamic content labeled Output Content to satisfy our file contents. We will now save and test our flow. When our flow finishes running, we should have a new Excel document in our folder with preset content and the cells we selected. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about using Cloudmersive document conversion connector actions in your Power Automate flows, please feel free to reach out to any member of our team.